going to allow us to create a new character, even though we already have a save game active. So yeah, this looks fine. Let's say this is Crassus, because he's gonna be playing with Caesar. Okay, so I'm just gonna cheat real quick here. At least go cloak and some faster run speed. There we go. There we have it. So this is a new character, but Caesar's house is still there. So you create a new character without restarting the buildings and the other progress on the game. Okay, so let's give this guy a few levels as well. Carrying things is so boring, so okay. But of course we can't build next to Caesar's house because we're not in a clan with that character. So we're gonna have to build something over here of our own. Yeah, that's gonna have to do. That's alright. And I'm gonna go back to the main menu again, so I can show you that we now have multiple characters in the same save game.